My name is Penguin, and I am here applying today to be adopted by Maya's Aviation Sanctuary. I am a lonely penguin, and with the sake of natural ice cube extinction, I'm running out of a home, and I would like Texas to be that place. Please consider everything I have to offer. We also donated $53K, and that should get me a room, I hope. Thank you.
Don't you have to be a bird?
Fucking listen to this fucking tool up here, cunt.
Oh, what you saying? I'm gonna fucking race to you, dickhead.
What the
fuck do you want, man? Race to you, dipshit.
What the fuck are you fucking going on, mate?
What the fuck you say to me, you dumb fucking cunt?
What the fuck is going on, mate?
What's your fucking
problem,
mate?
What's the problem? What's the problem? What's your fucking issue? You want me to fucking thong you, mate?
Fucking problem, mate. You want to get
I'll
fucking
slap me fucking thong across your fucking
forehead,
I'll
dickhead.
fucking beat your fucking forehead in the next week.
What's your fucking issue, mate?
What's your issue? You're fucking calling me a dumb cunt, you dumb fucking look.
I wasn't calling you a dumb fuck.
How many fucking long bits have been that, mate?
This is why nobody cares about Australia!
Fucked up cunt.
Mate, you're fucking mate.
What the fuck did you say about Aussie?
What'd you say about fucking
Australia? You want to fucking go? You fucking go?
What the fuck you say about Aussie?
What did you say about fucking Australia?
Mate, you fucking
Don't fucking make fun of me. Fucking go.
Okay. Take it back.
Oh, fucking cook you.
But yeah, I mean, fuck. Dedication, I guess. Maybe if you spent that energy elsewhere, you wouldn't be fucking lonely on Valentine's, boys. How'd I put him in the car? Oh wait, Alt. Enjoy your life.
Forget Will.
You never forget Will.
So
Will.
I've had time to contemplate on your rather forward question about a man who doesn't know how to operate the chessboard, being bad at making love, and I will retort: what kind of man walks into a chess tournament knowing nothing about chess to win over a girl? A man with blind confidence that he has from having a fat cock. And with that being said, I'm going to protect my pawn by doing that.
I accept your refutation, Will. I will see if my sister does as well.
Good morning.
Yes. Just so you know, there's a stream on.
Okay. I thought this was your natural habitat for a second.
You thought this was just me?
Yeah, I really did. I unironically did. What are you making?
The wine's good. I'm making chicken for the first time, and I've never done it before.
Not fun.
I'm learning. Don't cock W me. Motherfucker thought that this is me in my natural habitat. That's what he said. Does Chance think that I'm insane? Type 1 if this is me in my natural fucking habitat. Type 2 if that was out of line.
Let's all introduce each other. It's only fair. If we're all gonna go into this, we need to... What the cyber fuck was...
What the fuck are you doing?
What the cyber fuck was that?
Sorry, that was I have Tourette's.
Reloading autosave. Hi. It's good to see you all. So, the mission.
Son of a
That's
bitch.
what you want to know about,
God
correct?
damn it.
Well, it's simple. We just have to skipping
through it. Sorry, I'm trying to crouch. I can't.
That's the mission.
I was trying to crouch. I wasn't trying
Does
to
anybody
skip the
have any
dialogue.
questions before we go into our introductions of each other? It's important that if we are all
That's pretty funny.
big fucking crew, we all at least know our fucking name. Walt donated $1 and said, I love everyone here in this city. It's a terrific place. Just kidding, Limo. You all suck.
That's pretty fucked up. I
Any juicers?
No help.
No helping. Helping.
I don't think my boyfriend would like you talking to me like that.
Shit, I'm just saying hi to everybody.
Beat his ass, Sven.
Oh god, I'm sorry, I did not mean to, but this
Talk shit to him. Show him your alpha.
Hello, my
Talk about his flip-flops. Talk shit to him.
Don't worry about it, man. Just get out of here fast. Yeah, I told him off. I told him to get the fuck out of here.
That was so hot. I love when you're alpha.
Yeah, I'm pretty alpha.
Well, in return for that, I did get you this super helpful book.
I like books. Sex for Dummy. Yeah, I'll just put it over here.
I would like you to read that.
I will. Could also use some fire starter. And I got you this.
No, little facing me, little bit more.
Yes.
Oh, turn you. Yeah, there. One moment.
Please. Hey, let me. Smiling. Oh, you.
Italian man with no weapons. Find out what happens in Shitman.
It was a bird. Keep driving. My legs.
That was a bird?
Yeah.
Is that a bird?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Wait, what happened? What was that?
Wait,
help! Help!
Is the bird?
Oh.
Help me to the hospital, man. Fast.
Is that you, Sven?
It was me.
Alright, what's him?
Take a 2976, Pillbox Medical 147. Sven, you can change your go.
What do you think?
Reminds me of home.
Zoe, I had a wonderful day with you.
Yeah.
Sadly, that's coming to an end.
Ow! Fuck! Bitch! Hello? Hello?
Well, Zoe, welcome to the city. My favorite place, my favorite thing about this place is no one can hear you scream.
I hear the ferocious beast.
Distract. Bjorn, tank the dragon. Bjorn, cast intimidating shout.
Hold person on said monster.
Bjorn has casted taunt. I shall now sneak attack it. Very well. Be gone, foul beast dragon. The dragon has been slain.
Just don't go anywhere, man. Cut me some slack.
How much are you gonna pay me not to run away right now?
I'll pay you in donuts.
I gotta go. See you later, sucker. So Hitman, you are letting your mark walk away?
Oh, it's a silent one. Alright, you can get in the back seat.
Alright, I'm not gonna run, okay? I'm not gonna run. Help me out, I've fallen. God damn it! Don't talk to the target, okay? No matter what, don't talk to him. He got that tuxedo from the fucking thrift store.
Got that face from generations of incest.
Yeah, hell yeah. Keep roasting that motherfucker.
Timmy donated $1 and said the closest thing this guy gets to pussy is the fake-ass fur on his tacky coat.
Oh, motherfucker.
Okay, relax, gentlemen. Everyone relax.
Billy donated $1 and said, where'd you get that jacket? From your mom's closet. Dad.
Oh. Motherfucker. Oh! He hit him with you with a pimp cane, motherfucker.
Hey, listen.
Back the fuck up.
Okay, everybody.
Put your fucking hands up, man! Right now, get the fuck out of the car! Right fucking now, man!
Alright, I'm out of the car, motherfucker.
Get the fuck behind here! Come with me,
Alright,
slowly.
I'm coming, motherfucker, alright?
Fucking try anything. In there, in the fucking
I ain't
alley.
gonna try shit.
In the fucking alley,
Yeah,
man.
Alright, I'm going down the alley, motherfucker. Alright, calm down, motherfucker. Alright, look, we can talk about this, playboy.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about this, alright?
Alright, we can talk about this, motherfucker.
Ease up, amigo. Put it up. Man just tried to help me and you're gonna fuck with him? No.
Oh shit, that a double cross, motherfucker.
The fuck?
Yeah, man was trying to help me and you're gonna fucking
Hey,
that's up? No.
I want to take you to the best place there is, okay?
Oh shit! Oh my god, you almost killed me!
Car's too fast, man! Okay? What happened last time?
This is chaos, man!
We can go to the fucking pier. Okay, look, let's have a nice day out on the fucking pier.
Oh no, I know what oh my god, X, I know what he's gonna do. He's gonna put her in the water. He's gonna put her in the water, 100%. He's gonna send it, he's sending it right now. But don't follow him, you're gonna go in the water too. Oh god.
Absolutely fucking beautiful. It's gotta be the best day of your life. Fucking Sunday!
That's how it is. It's the same shit over and over. That's what the for some.
Hey, you want a private dance later?
How much?
$200.
Well, are you that good looking? Turn around.
I mean, you can take a look at me. Sir, I'm the best motherfucking stripper in this bitch. And if you deny me, then clearly you're blind and making up for it with your steroids. Freak.
I'm wondering who's getting harassed there. Making up for it with your steroids. Freak. Huh? Huh?
Please don't impale yourself. You want me to give it a try, bud? You're done? Okay, the way that I do this one. Oh, hold on.
Chat, it's not easy.
You guys went in dry.
Here.
Yeah. Just take your aggressions out on it. This is working. We're getting
Bro,
somewhere.
is this how they did it back in the day? You know what it is? Because the grid is so small.
Come on, stay with me.
What if we combine?
Yeah. Staying alive. Staying.
What if I put weight on your?
Here, come on. Push down. Push down. Push down. Push down on me. Push down on me. Push down on me.
It's like the fucking sword in the stone, dude.
We're not the chosen ones.
Too far away. Where the fuck are you going? This guy's a fucking idiot. Somebody's got to take care of that guard before we get sabotaged.
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Hey, what the fuck? What are you doing? What are you?
What?
He's done for.
Good job, Ken-sama.
Are they role playing? I'm confused.
We can't just go in guns a-blazing right away. We're gonna alert the security.
You need to stop moving forward, idiot. Gonna alert the guards with the sound of your ass cheeks clapping. All right, this next.
Wait, this entire time they were role playing?
Who wants to take him on?
Oh my.
Okay.
Charles Knight, I think it's all
Operative
you.
number 66, please come up to office number 34, over.
These motherfuckers are role playing.
Over.
What are you doing today?
They're out of their fucking minds. I thought this was a fucking.
Oh, hey.
Where's the hole?
He did this last time. to
Where's the
me.
hole?
I was so happy.
I can't find the hole.
That's what you always say.
Have a good night. Happy Valentine's Day. We'll see you tomorrow.
Weasley little.
You just fucking threatening people.
That's the line. Look. Whoa.